Hey guys, before we get started, hit the subscribe button down below on your right hand side. So let's get right into it. Sorry. This is week 12 of the Nature Bounty hair, skin, and nail vitamins. If you are kind of wondering where I'm at, I'm in my bathroom because it has a big mirror and I wanted to show you guys some of the hair growth. I've been wearing my hair differently. I've been putting in my hair extensions quite a bit and using my bedhead waver. You can look that up. I have a video on it. So, but my hair is growing, but it's not growing like as fast, or I can't see it as growing as fast. And hair takes a while to grow. You know, it's like I said in previous videos, it's not gonna grow overnight. You know, it takes time. So, like I said before, these are the pretty pink pills. I take them 3 times a day. So I take them morning, lunch, and then I take it about 7 Pacific time. So, because sometimes I forget to take it like at noon or 12:30 Pacific time, and then I'm like, oh shoot, like, and I take it at like 2:30, 3 o'clock, and then that's kind of, you know, kind of not dinner time, but close to dinner time. So, I try to space it out. That's why I take it at 7, in case I take it at 2:30 or 3. So, I wanted to show you, the gel caps work way better than the gummies. They have a lot more thing, but, as you can tell, I've noticed at the bottom, it is the same length almost as, like, it is growing. So before, this side was shorter than this side, and so now it's like the same length. So, I mean, in a sense, it is working, but I can't really tell this week. All those other weeks, I could tell. But it is growing in the back, as you can see. I don't know. See, that's like all hair growth from the weeks before. So it is growing in some areas. So, like I said, it's a process. I Googled it to see how, you know, how much, you know, how long it would take. And it said you would see anywhere from, you know, 2 weeks to 2 months of before it would start happening. And it's been like almost 2 months. So, but all in all, I totally recommend this brand, Nature Bounty hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I'm gonna keep doing reviews and showing you how it works. You know, it's gonna take time. Hair grows at a certain rate, but I totally recommend this product over the gummies. Like I said before in previous videos, I picked it up at Costco. It's 250 liquid soft gels. It has all sorts of vitamins, not like the gummies. The gummies just have vitamin A and E, I think. Don't quote me on that. And biotin. So this has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, you know, all your B vitamins, folic acid. And folic acid alone, like I said in previous videos, it does help your hair grow really fast. So, but yeah, so all in all, this product is amazing. I would go pick it up. You could probably find it at Walmart, Target, you know, your grocery store. I don't know what kind of grocery store, but maybe a health food store has it, maybe a vitamin store has it, pretty sure. So, All in all, I love this product, like I said in this video and previous videos, and I'm going to keep taking them to see the end result of what I want. So, like I said, it is growing, but it's not growing very fast. So, and hair takes time. It's not going to grow overnight. So, look for week 13. Don't forget to subscribe to this, to my channel for weekly hair and makeup and other video updates weekly. And please like this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for week 13.